63-year-old independent TV producer Kevin wowed the judges at the auditions with his flame-seared tuna.
To actually go in looking for an apron and come out with the apron with the big M on it, I mean, that to me was one of the highlights of my life.
Today, Kevin has cooked a much-anticipated confit of salmon with a duo of chocolate sauces.
Well, I think presentation is going to be one of my good points. I have no problem with criticism, absolutely none. If I learn something from it and it's fair, that's okay with me.
Are you happy?
Yes.
You are happy?
Yes.
If you're happy, I'm not happy. And this has disappointed me beyond belief. The salmon is completely overcooked. The white chocolate sauce is completely split. You seemed so confident that I couldn't wait to taste this. This has fallen short so much. I'm not even sure if you're taking the competition serious.
I have to make reference to this piece of funnel because it doesn't do it. What is it representing for the dish?
Well, it's one of the chocolates is actually fennel. And it just does the backdrop.
Am I going to eat this?
No.
No, so
It's a garnish.
It's a bit more than a garnish.
It's all right.
It's a bit phallic and all that kind of stuff.
Right.
It's just a bit a worthless sort of point to the dish because you were struggling to carry it as well, you know. So I'm speechless because this is just almost like salmon that you could mix with a bit of mayonnaise and put in a bit of bread.
Yeah. It's usually pinker than that.
Yeah, no, but at this stage,
You really think that that's MasterChef level?
No, it's not. It went over the top. I think the judges come sort of over the top. Seriously, I mean, if a dish is not right, it's not right, and I agreed with them. I'm not sure, to tell you the truth, if I want to continue. That's what I'm feeling at the moment.
Waterford native Mary is unsure if her dish is cooked through.
I'm hopeful it's cooked, yeah. I'm just a bit nervous, but everyone likes a gooey cake.
She is presenting a trio of strawberry desserts. A strawberry creme fraiche and mint granola pot, strawberry and white chocolate financier cake, and a champagne and rose jelly.
Your financier is fabulous. It's red, it looks very interesting. It's moist in the middle. You can taste the almonds, you can taste the burnt noisette, yeah? I think you're fantastic. I think you've worked really hard all morning. I think you've turned out something very clean, very self-assured, and I think Nick is going to love this.
very delicate jelly. It's very pretty, and you actually are very consistent, which we like.
Thank you.
You have one for sure weakness, though.
Okay, go for it.
That you work in a mess.
Yeah.
And I think you're aware of that.
Yeah.
And you need to sort that out, because
Yeah.
we're getting into the other side of the competition, okay? So.
Yeah, I'll take that on board. Yeah, I think they pretty much cleared it, cleared the entire plate, which is good.
South African Grant took a risk to cook a lobster curry.
When I was walking out of the dish, I didn't know what to expect. I looked at what I had, looked at what other people had plated, so I kind of felt a little bit out of my depth.
Honestly, I'm never a fan of putting something as delicate as a lobster with curry. Because the lobster's so sweet and delicate, I think there's so many thousands of other choices a chef can go than curry. However, I'm surprised you haven't overcooked the lobster, as I thought you might. The curry's not too strong, which shows the understanding of the piece of fish that you're using. You've really shown me today that you can cook, and for that, I'm impressed.
The last time I felt like this was actually when I ran with the Bulls in Pamplona about 10 years ago. It's that feeling of everything building up, it's over, and it's just that I don't know, post-event buzz, I think.
And with only 3 more tastings to go, Richard is serving a masala fillet of beef, curried pumpkin and cardamom sauce.
This is by the looks of things, a big plate of ginger, hearty food.
Absolutely.
Isn't it?
Yeah, that's me. That's me on a plate.
I actually do think it is you on a plate. What you've done here is really just cook your comfort food, stuff that's relative to you. Might not be everybody's cup of tea, but it's yours.
Pierce is hoping that his grilled mackerel fillets with Mediterranean mussels will keep him in the competition.
So this is representing of the gentle giant.
Yeah, I think so. Unfortunately, the mackerel didn't crisp under the grill.
Mackerel's very nice. Goes well with the marriages of flavours you've done through. Mussels are nice with it. It's very Mediterranean. You're showcasing, I think, your love of food, your love of flavours, and fair play to you.
Well, the judges were a bit harsh on some of the other contestants. Judging by their comments, I hope I've done enough.
Finally, it's mother of four Jacky who failed to plate up within the hour and must face the judges empty-handed.
People were judged before me, and I saw the beautiful plates and I saw the beautiful food, and I was crying even, I think, and then I had to come up empty-handed, and you feel really empty and small. I'm devastated.
It's okay. It's okay. I understand. I mean, obviously the rules of competition is that, you know, once we call time, then you obviously run out of time.
I didn't hear it.
Didn't hear it?
I didn't hear it.
But consolation is, we think you're a great person. What you cooked for us originally when we gave you the apron was fantastic.
What we did do is we taste the components of the dish, okay? Okay?
Thank you.
But our hands are tied.
Yeah, I
Okay.
understand.
We don't want you to be upset
I'm
anymore,
sorry,
though.
I'm very...
Give her a hug.
Oh my God, that's okay, okay?
Yeah, no, it's...
It's okay, your food was fantastic.
Thank you.
Forget that. Okay, that's what we put you through.
Thank you, Nick.
Okay, so don't feel bad.
I have a tiny little bit of hope that with my previous dish, my audition dish was very good. Knowing that they taste the components of this dish and they liked it gives me a tiny little bit of hope. But I don't know, it's not a whole lot.